Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I am here in Louisiana, and I'm going to be showing off the ruins of Fort Macomb. Now this fort was built in the 1820s and operated until about the 1870s, and since then it has sat abandoned. It was damaged by Hurricane Katrina in 2005, but is still standing here. Now because this one is completely abandoned, you will see that it is completely overgrown. The inside is all messed up, and you can tell that people haven't been here for a long while. Now, I did not step foot on the property. Instead, I just used my drone since this is an old historical fort, and I wouldn't want to damage something historical. But here you can get a look of what the inside looks like and how time has changed it. It is actually holding up pretty good, but as you can see, all the plants and stuff are growing wildly around it. Now, this actually isn't the only fort in the area, and in my next video, we're going to be looking at Fort Pike, which is in much better condition than this place, and you'll be able to see what it looks like. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick drone look at Fort Macomb in Louisiana, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps a lot. And I will see you guys next time as we look at Fort Pike.